Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're holding Tether, USDT, on your Ledger Nano X and want to move it over to Coinbase, you're in the right place. This guide is tailored for 2025, where crypto transfers are even more streamlined, but security is still key. Whether you're preparing for a big trade or just managing your assets, I'll walk you through this step by step in a simple, hassle-free way. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure your Ledger Nano X is set up and updated. Open the Ledger Live app on your computer or mobile device. It's your gateway to managing your crypto securely. If you haven't already, connect your Ledger Nano X via USB and enter your PIN to unlock it. This ensures you're in control at every step. Next, log into your Coinbase account on a separate device or browser for added security. Head over to your Coinbase wallet and find the USDT section. Here, you'll need to generate a deposit address. Copy this carefully, as it's crucial for the transfer. Double-check that it's for the Ethereum network or whichever blockchain your Tether is on, since USDT can vary. Now, back in Ledger Live, navigate to the Accounts tab and select your USDT wallet. Hit the Send button. Paste the Coinbase address you copied, and enter the amount you want to transfer. Don't forget to review the transaction fees. In 2025, these might be lower due to network upgrades, but always factor them in to avoid surprises. Before you confirm, take a moment to verify everything. Check the address, the amount, and the network details to prevent any errors. Crypto transfers are irreversible. Once you're good, approve the transaction on your Ledger device by confirming on the screen. You'll get a notification when it's processing. Finally, hop back to Coinbase and monitor your account. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours for the Tether to show up, depending on network congestion. Once it's there, you're all set. Remember, always prioritize security. Use two-factor authentication and never share your private keys. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you next time.